Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. Today I will show you how to do another more than less than question, and this is from Mahabodhi. It should be the WA2 Weighted Assessment 2, which happened last year in August. So let's get right down to it. So as what I've shown you in episode 1, I'll be using my signature annotation method. And thereafter, I will show you how to draw the model. Let's get right down to it. So Shannon had $250 more than Nadia at first. I will circle $250 more. Then I will point it to Shannon. Then they say Shannon gave $314 to Nadia. And the question is, how much more money did Nadia have than Shannon in the end? So in Singapore, children, they do not have much time to do this question. They have, if I'm not wrong, less than 5 minutes. So they have to be very fast and efficient with their model drawing. So as mentioned in the first episode, the BYROG method. So some of you have PM me. You have private message me and ask me what's the meaning of BYROG. So B is for blue, Y is for yellow, R is for red, O for orange, and G for green. And I came up with the BYROG method because most of the problem sums out there, they have actually 5 crucial information which we need in order to solve the question. So let's get down to the model drawing. So I can actually write down S for Shannon and N for Nadia. And I'm very mindful not to have my model too near to my question. And in my model itself, as you can see, I need to show that Shannon has $250 more than Nadia. So in the question, in the second sentence, they say that Shannon gave $314 to Nadia. So let me just point out a very common mistake made by children. So many children, they actually take the 314 directly from the brown color box over here. So please do not do that. If your child or if you yourself are doing that, you got to stop immediately. So the trick about this question is that we got to move the 250 first. So since Shannon has 250 more than Nadia, I will move the 250 down in my model from Shannon to Nadia. So I put a minus sign to show a negative change, and I put a positive sign for Nadia to show that Nadia received the $250. And as you can see in my model, I do not have the dollar sign. So no dollar sign is fine for model drawing. It's not a problem at all. So having done that, my next step is to take 314. I got to minus away 250. And if calculators are not allowed, the child has to show the working. And we always advise the children to put the working by the side neatly. So 4 minus 0, I get 4. 1, I can't take away 5. I got to rename my 3 that's already in the hundreds place. So my answer is 64. And having moved 250, Shannon needs to move another 64 over to Nadia. So the 64 will come from here, the right side of the brown box. And as what I've been telling my students, if the space above is 64, the space below will also be 64. So in order for Shannon to move the money to Nadia, there will be a swing arrow to show that Nadia actually received 64. So all in all, everyone, we can see that I've already transferred 250 and another 64 to Nadia. So in total, I have moved $314 from Shannon to Nadia. And the question is asking us, how much more money did Nadia have than Shannon in the end? So for a question like this, what they are interested in is the three numbers that is encapsulated in my brace, okay? Or you can say the bracket. So I'll put a question mark. And you can say that the final answer is actually 64 plus 250 plus 64, or is none other than 64 plus 314, because all in all Shannon gave 314 to Nadia. So I'll actually do 314 plus 64, and I'll do my working by the side. So as you can see, 4 plus 4 I get 8, 1 plus 6 7, and 3 comes down. So everyone, the answer for how much more money did Nadia have than Shannon in the end is none other than $378. And I got to be very careful. I got to remember to put my dollar sign. If not, marks could be taken away. So there we have it. Oh, I made a mistake. So sorry about it. So it's very important to do our checking. So as everyone can see, the final answer, it should be $378. Okay? $378. And finally, I can say that I have managed to solve the question. So unlike the previous episode where we can actually check our answers, for this particular type of more than less than, due to the lack of information, we can't really check our answers. And we will also never know how much money did Shannon have at first, or how much money did Nadia have at first, or Nadia have in the end. We can just see from our model itself that this Nadia will actually have $378 more than Shannon in the end. And to sum up, questions like this have appeared in Primary 3, Primary 4 kind of exam papers. So do not be alarmed when you see them appearing in Primary 5. So by right, the child should have been able to do these questions because they have seen them for the last few years. So that's all. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope that you managed to learn something from episode 2. So once again, thank you for watching Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.